Hello guys, I'm going to do a video of build a boat for treasure. Oh, a abandoned boat over there. Oh, I'm on the black team. Somehow I can see through the floor. Whoa. And somehow flowers are floating. Weird. Cool. Anyways guys, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. So let's start building my boat. I don't know how I'm going to build this. Normally I just cage myself in a big box. So yeah. Gonna look pretty hideous, but I always try. So let's do that, and oh, and I'm out of blocks. Can you I can open one of these. This isn't bad. I get some weird stuff that I don't really need that much, but anyways guys, who cares? Let's just put a glass pane at the bottom. Let's attach my motor. Here we go. Put that on. Put my chair. Cage myself in, like I always do. With sand. I don't know why I'm caging myself in with sand. I don't think it's gonna help me out a lot at all. Alright, let's do that. And let's put trapdoor at the top, just in case. Maybe I might put a second story for if some people want to join me. Ooh, and I made a mistake. So how do you? I don't know how. No, never mind. Alright, so I gotta do that, and I might put a porch. I don't know why I'm building this way. This is not the way I build sometimes, but who cares, guys? Just do it for fun. I know I'm making a huge mess of this, but yeah, this is what I have to go with. Alright, so let's put that there. I have to be able to put a chair there if anyone wants to join me. Oh god, this is terrible. Ugh, this is hideous. It'll keep me safe from any rocks or any sort of stuff that want to hit me. Alright, so let's put an extra chair down at the top. Let's say anyone wants to sit in the little chair, they can. Just go like yeet. Alright, so let's add another little chair. I think I don't. Let's add balloons as well. So let's hop in here and see if anyone wants to do this. Oh, and it's already fallen over. Great. Think I might need a... Oh, never mind. It is working. It is working. Alright. What the... Hey, guy, you want to join me? You want to join me? You want to join me, fam? Come on. Oh. There's a little chair. I need to sit on it. Oh, and that guy died. Alright. This doesn't look very stable. Who cares? I'm dying. I'm still stuck in here. I'm just gonna stay here, guys, so. Oh. You guys can just listen to the nice music while this is taking a long time. Barely going anywhere. Oop. My chair probably will fall off. I'm just in there. Hello. Alright, I need it. Where's my hatch? There we go. I doubt this would get me there. Yeah, I'm already losing stuff. Whee! Oh, I can drive. Sort of. I'm not great at driving in this game. Oh. Ooh. Ah! No! No. No. I don't want to die. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. I'm getting close to the ice cream world. Alright, we're at the ice cream world. I think they're gonna shoot ice cream at me. Oh, there's the ice cream train! Or candy train. Anyone wants to call it the candy train. Alright, let's go. I made it past the candy train. I gotta make it to the last point, which is all the way over there, which is gonna... Ah, keys, no! I can't take the keys. Ah, no, music notes! Ah! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die from this. Ah! I'm gonna die. No! Please! I'm just gonna die. I know I'm gonna die. My noob, my poor noob is just slowly drifting away. Losing parts. Dying. Music notes killing him. Life is horrible. I made it! Yay! I lost my motor though. Oh. This is a nice place. Alright, but except oh. Ah no! 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 Oh. Oh. Oh, I was halfway there. That wasn't a bad run. Alright. Let's claim that. And another one of those. And 3 of those. Alright, let's come on. Alright. So let's set this up again, but except I'm gonna do it way nicer. Alright, this is gonna take a while. Alright, I need to put that there. Then I'm gonna do that. Do that. 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 Just like that. Actually, not like that. Let's place that there, and then that there, and right there. You guys, please like and subscribe. These boats take ages to build. These boats take ages to build. So guys, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Alright, I'm making like a small little house. This looks nice, yes. Alright, place 2 windows at the sides. Let's put a table right there. And put my... What is this? Big random chest that I don't need. Alright, let's place that there. I think I might be able to fit an extra chair. Or if anyone wants to join me in this terrible journey. Alright, it's a 2-seater. Build walls, just like so. Alright, I'm out of those blocks. I need to cover roof. Alright, let's place those blocks there, and there, and there, and there we go. And then I need to place one there. And maybe just a pillar. Any blocks left? Oh, I do. I do indeed. Alright, let's place those. This looks very messy. Who cares? Put an extra seat at the top. Sure, why not? And place one last thing right there. Alright, that's done. Let's get in. I don't know how. Oh, there we go. You can sit there. Let's launch it. Oh, and my motor fell off straight away. Okay. Is it just not allowed to attach? Oh, and it's going. Wait, what? Where's my motor? Get over here, motor. Okay, and my motor's gone. Alright, let me see if I'm able to... Oh, never mind. Alright, that guy's making it very far, I gotta say. That's very far. This looks pretty safe. I gotta say, this does look safe. We just stuck inside here with no one else. Wah. Alright. Gotta end the video soon, guys, so I can subscribe, or else you might never make it in this game. Never ever. Even if you do. Ooh, wow. I can actually turn this thing. Whee! Whee! Yay, I'm hitting stuff. Hit everything with the front. Hit this log with the front part. Yay. That helped. Hit it with the side. Oh, I'm able to skim past that. Then I want to skim past this or just hit it with the curve. Alright, I'm going to the worst place possible. It's just right over here, I think. And my character just go like, yeehaw. This isn't really fun for my character, but I think he's having a good time. Alright. We're going into the ice cream place. Somehow that always glitches. There's the ice cream place. Oh, there's someone right behind me. Or there's someone right in front of me. I guess there is no one. Weird. Oh, there they are. Wait, what? Save me, bro. Save me. Save me. Oh, he's gone. Oh, not this place. There he is. Not this place. I don't like this place. Oh god, there's so much piano keys in my way. Bro, you have a nice thing, man. What a joke! Save me! Save me! Save me! No! No! Save me! Save me! I don't know why I did that. Alright, I'll end the video there, guys. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. So, bye!